How to hide your Blogger site from search engines. Let's walk through the process together. First, sign in to your Blogger account. Once you're inside the Blogger dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. Now, there are several reasons why you might want to hide a Blogger site from search engines for a while. Maybe your website is still under development, maybe you're testing new features or designs, or perhaps your content isn't ready for public visitors yet. Whatever the reason, Blogger gives you a simple way to prevent search engines from listing your site. If the toggle is currently turned on, your blog can be discovered through search engines. To hide your site, simply turn this toggle off. After disabling it, search engines will no longer be instructed to include your blog in their search results. Keep in mind that it may take some time for search engines to update their listings, so the change might not happen instantly. And that's it. Blogger site is now hidden from search engines. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.